nakaka-overwhelm. Sobrang honored. I just feel really kilig whenever people sing my songs.
Nakakakilig na may kumanta ng kanta ko. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, that's called Isang Gabi. This was written by Rico Blanco. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
It's
Rico.
such an honor. Thank you.
And yun, kinanta ni Luis yung Isang Gabi, which was written by Rico Blanco. Na-surprise ako kasi kinanta niya yun ng, of course, ng Milky and ginawa niya ng sarili niyang version. So, it was such a nice performance. I like this performance and yeah, natutuwa talaga ako. Kasi parang first time ever na kinanta yung kanta ko dito sa The Clash. For the past seasons, parang wala pa ako narinig, but like, the first time today na narinig ko na may nag-cover ng song ko. Mahihirapan lang yung Clash panel kasi pareho silang magaling ni Molly. Kaya, good luck.